Hello everyone. I just got the power supply and fan in today for the A1466, and I kind of have it jerry-rigged here. I noticed that the little locking latch on the fan port there, come on, focus. There we go. Yeah, right here is missing. There should be like a little latch to lift up, so I kind of have it just pushed in there, so I'll have to go in there and replace it at some point. But right now it's good enough for just troubleshooting to make sure everything works. So, and also before I put the fan on, I also put some Thermal Grizzly Aeronaut in there real quick. I like using this stuff, especially on air-cooled CPUs, because it works really well. So, let's see. Let's drag this over here real quick. I don't have a wide angle in, so I'll have to drag it over. Let's see if this bitch catches on fire. Alright, this is the power supply I got today, so there we go. No light. Nothing's... Oh, we got fan spin. There we go. Even for a second. So we have power, so it's powering up. That's just half the problem. If there's anything else, when I originally bought this, the guy said that he didn't know the condition, he didn't know if it turned on or not. It's just something that they had. So there you go. It powers up, everything looks fine. So I'm just gonna unplug it. I should really be wearing gloves when I do this. You know what? It's not going to come out there real easy. So I'm just going to unplug it from over here. I don't want to touch it while there's power applied, so there we go. Alright, so that's it. We have fan spin.